Did you know 2 people were poisoned with the world's deadliest nerve agent on a quiet Sunday morning? March 4th, 2018, Sergei Skripal and his daughter Yulia were feeding ducks in Salisbury, England. The former Russian spy had been living peacefully for years after a prisoner exchange, but within hours, something went terribly wrong. First came dizziness, then violent convulsions as their nervous systems began shutting down. They collapsed on a park bench, foaming at the mouth, completely unconscious. The poison was Novichok, 10 times deadlier than VX nerve gas. 2 Russian agents had flown in posing as tourists, smearing the chemical on Skripal's door handle. Just touching it was enough to kill. The toxin attacks every nerve in your body, causing paralysis and respiratory failure. Both victims survived, but the attack triggered a massive international crisis. 28 countries expelled Russian diplomats in response. A simple Sunday morning had become an act of chemical warfare on British soil.